Hi guys, I am Isa, and today we're going to learn how to use CSS animations. So anyways, I just create a div. We're going to give the div a class of anim. So we're going to add a style tag. There, I'm going to say that anim with 50px, height 50px. You want to say background gray. So we have that gray cube. So anyways, I'm going to give it an animation. So I'm going to say animation. I'm going to write the name of the animation. So I'm just going to call it animation 1. Then its duration, only 5 seconds. And then it's infinite or not. So I'm going to write infinite. So to actually create the animation, we have to write at keyframes. And then the name of the animation, so I'm going to say at keyframes animation 1. So here you specify, the animations. So you have to use things like 0%. So I'm going to say, position absolute. So here in 0%, we're going to say left 0, 100%. I'm going to say left 100 VW. Now you can see that it's going to move. You can also specify the easing of the animation, because right now it's slow at the beginning, then it gets faster in the middle, and then in the end it's slow. So if you want the speed to be the same, you have to write linear. So now you can see that the speed is the same and consistent. But anyways, for now I'm not going to include cruiser. So if I write something like 50%, I'm going to say like top 100px. You can see that's going to go down. But it doesn't really go down smoothly. The reason why is because we don't have any top 0. So you can see that it goes down smoothly at the beginning. So here, I'm going to say top 0. Now you can see that it goes up, and then it goes down. So yeah. So yeah. Let's do like 0%. Left 0. Top 0. I'm going to say 25%. Left 25px. Left 100px. So then 50%. So now 50%. I'm going to say top. So 50% the top is going to be 400px as well. So now you can see that it moves right then down at the same time. That's 75%. So here I'm just gonna write 0 on the bottom. 0. So 75%. I'm going to say right 400px. actually. I'm going to say left 0. So I'm going to reverse left back to its original place. Then 100%. I'm going to say top 0. So I'm just going to so if that animation still there, I'm going to make the animation to be in a different class. So I'm going to say animation 1. I'm going to say animation. You can see that the square doesn't be animated anymore. So in the script, actually I'm just going to add a play button. And I want to give it the ID of play. So also in here, I'm going to say let play equal to document get element by ID. So that's going to be the play button. I'm going to say play dot add event listener click. I'm going to use an arrow function. Now I'm going to say anim dot last name equal to animation. It's going to make it out the anim and animation class is. So I'm just going to anim equal to document dot so let's anim equal to document get element by class name anim so the button doesn't show since this anim's position is absolute. So I'm going to say button position absolute. Now chosen top. So I'm going to say top 50 px. In here, I'm going to say for each selector. I'm going to say dot anim. So now you can see that it starts being animated. So now we also add a pause button. So I'm going to copy this play button. I'm going to write pause. I'm going to copy this play.event listener. I'm going to replace this with pause. I'm going to change this class to just anim. So I'm just going to add the pause button. So let pause equal to document dot get element by ID. See if there's a pause button. button, it's on the same place as the play button. Because both of the buttons are like that. So I'm going to say, I'm going to copy this top. I'm going to say hashtag play top 100px hashtag pause. That'll be top of 150px. So now if I play this and then I pause it, the animation will stop when I paused it. So lastly, I'm just going to add a bit of designs to the button. So I'm going to say background light green. I'm going to say padding 20px. And I'm going to say font size 28px. To say, let me just reduce this. I'm just going to say border none. I'm going to say border radius 1100 Vmax. Some px. So now the buttons are like that. I'm also going to say font family, one more space. I'm going to say button cover background green. So anyways, if we press the play button, you can see that it plays. So anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, then like and subscribe. So bye!